Okay. Another project here. Bought some of this walnut here. This old punka, whatever the hell it was, metal. And a Dragonfly Slabstitcher. And let's make something out of that. I might use a few more other little things, so let's get this freaking thing going. And it's cold in here. It was 18 degrees out last night, and I got the pellet stove cranked up, trying to get it warm in here. It's about 42 right now. Hey, what are you doing over there, bonehead? Let's get busy. Hey, you warming your bones up at the... or your bone up at the fire here? Come on, let's get busy. Okay, let's get this edge here trimmed down. Okay, right now this is going to be the front side, and this is going to be the top. I got a little crack here that goes through, and a fine one up here that swoops around here. So I'm going to do my securing bit I do on the back here. I'm going to put a probably a aught biscuit across here and a couple R3s here with some foaming glue. Glue those in and saw them off, and that should be good enough to hold those cracks. Alright now, bonehead, you watch and learn how to do this. Here's these little R3 biscuits, little tiny things. I've actually got some smaller. This thing does, it's an old Craftsman biscuit thing I've had for years. It does R1, R2, and R3 biscuits. And R3 is the biggest one that this thing does. So what we do here, bonehead, is hold it on our mark there and run it just straight down and back up. Like that. And another one over here. Wait. Hey, wait. There we go. There's two R3 slots. As you see, then I'll put that foam and glue in there, and we shove them down in there. And that glue sits up, slice them off, and that's usually enough to hold a crack like that. So now I'm putting a little bigger one here, a aught biscuit, so I'll get my other biscuit cutter and we'll cut that one. Right on? Hey, wake up. Okay, now here is the bigger biscuit cutter. Got it set on a aught biscuit and put the big one right here. This one is a little harder to hold steady. It's got so much freaking torque. So here's that one. That's gonna go right there across that crack. Gola. Right on. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna stick these biscuits in here over these cracks, and this glue I'm using is, you know, that again, it's that foaming stuff. It activates better when it's wet, so we'll try to get a little moisture down in these cuts here. Well, that stuff will foam out and expand into them cracks. Securing them. There we go. Here's that glue. Remember that? I'll use this foaming glue. You know, it does have its place. It does have its place. So, use it here and there. Okay, here's the R3s across that crack there. Goes in here. Too much glue there. Let's switch that glue around here and this one. And there's that aught one. Now we'll just put a little board on there for some weight. Put that set up and then cut. Tony, long head. You can watch TV, but don't learn it. And do the pockets. Alright, blues all set up. Thank you, bonehead. Now that is thinking ahead. Thank you. Make you into a shop helper yet. I'm going to clamp that down. Hang on. Alright, thanks for the clamp, bonehead. One down. Two down. And last one down. That's what I'm saying. bonehead, where are you? Need some help back here. What the hell? What are you, getting your bone warmed up there? Come on, get down here and help me. No good. No armed, no legs, son of a gun. Bonehead, you? Okay, no, break out the door a little bit. What? Oh, if I don't want to leg down, I'll use again. Cross your fingers, bonehead. Yeah, that's a good idea, but you know what? It don't work. It's on your bone. There's smoke in the cigar. You've already got it cooked. I know it's got to be a little longer here. Yeah, that's my original plan. I'm going to go about an inch. See? So let's see. So, I'll go back. Let's see. Yeah, I'll go back up to. Let's try half inch more first here. Half inch. That's my hand there. That one here. Not the world, don't need it. Oh, it's not your fault now, because I changed how long I cut. Yeah, get out of here. Look at the skin. So then you get skin in. Let's see here. Oh my god. That's all the way through. Oh, I think I like it. Haha. Well, yeah. Or two. Halfway brains together, we did it. There's the shelf. Yeehaw. Come through on camera there, yeah. Well, that's that step done. Now the next step. Okay, now we're gonna mark this where our dowels are going there, bonehead. Now you need eyeballs to need to wear safety glasses? Never mind. Never mind. It's nice that you're being safety conscious, you know. Jeez. Okay, now we can cut this here. Then we're going to space it about an inch, join it together with two dowels and this butterfly, something like that, across the open space. Then we got a hanger going there. Okay, here it is with the dowels just setting in there. It's about a 3/4, 7/8 inch space. The shelf's just setting in there, and then I'm going to put a 1 coat peg approximately there, but at a 5-degree angle. And then I'm going to slab stitcher that Dragonfly in, probably about right there. Okay, let's epoxy these dowels in to connect this side here. Some fresh Gorilla Glue here. Back at my usual tricks. I thought I had the camera on when I routed this, and I didn't. Went through the process of how it's a two-parter. Cut this, everything but the bottom wing, then you come back with another insert, put the bottom wing in, cut the bottom wing in. So anyway, I screwed that up. So anyway, there's the plan. That's going to get epoxied in there across that crack. Dang, why did I not turn that camera on? Okay, I just drilled down a little inset there just so the back of this brass button can set flush in there when I epoxy it in there. So that sets flush on that dowel, so that'll do the trick there. Now I'll stain this or figure out what color I'm going to do this dowel and then epoxy that button in there before we put it in the wall shelf thingy ding. Okay, there it is epoxied in. Next thing up, sand it. It's just proud hair. Get that sanded, then get drilled for the peg here for the coat hanger and the small hole here for the key ring hanger after that. And okay, let's drill a hole for the peg, the main coat peg. Ready? Yeah. Now I slip that off kilter here, get it lined up again, right there. It's about a 5-degree angle. That looks plenty deep. See if it fits. Oh, she fits so good. Now I'm gonna put stain it and put the little brass button in the end there. Okay, now the little hole for the key peg here. Don't have to go too deep. Got it marked off. Ready to roll. It's going straight in. Ready, Bone? Okay, you got your glasses on. Safety first. Good buddy. You're a good shot buddy there. See if that fits in there. Yeah. Yeah. How about that? Okay, I'm spraying a couple coats on the back here, and I'm going to put a couple on the front before I put the hangers on the back, and then mount the pegs, and then I'll finish up coats on the front after I think the pegs are in. Hey, now I'm going to mix up some epoxy and get this little brass button here epoxied on the end of the coat peg. Okay, I've got probably second to the last coat on this. I'm ready to epoxy the coat thing on there. Then once I get that epoxied in, I'm going to give it one final coat. And over here I decided on the metal grid work, instead of leaving it natural, really rustic, I just do a little bit of rustic, and I painted it with textured black paint. So I think that's going to look good in there. And the hook is black, and the little key peg is black, so I think it's going to look pretty good. And that's where I'm at right now. So let's epoxy that pegarino in that hole right there. Woo! Okay, I just mixed up some Gorilla epoxy, put it in the hole. Got the coat peg in there, and a rubber band around it to hold it in there tight. Now, let's see. Okay, I just epoxied the metal thing into that slot. Put some epoxy on it and slipped it in, and I got some wedges on the back side to hold it tight because the slot's slightly larger than the metal. So once that sets up, I'll go back from the back and just put an even bead of epoxy along each piece of metal where it sticks through. Well, we finished it, Bonehead. Our first project all the way through together. You look pretty happy. Got the coat hook, shelf, key, knob here. Let's hang it up and get some finished pictures. Woo, 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 woo. You did it. Thanks, Bonehead.